Hey folks, this is Devin Bledsoe down at Heritage Ford, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2018 EcoSport. It's one of those sporty new little cars that Ford's making. It's a little bit lifted off the ground, so it's not going to set real low like the Focus or Fiesta. This is a titanium four-wheel drive. So let's open up the hatch here and take a look. Got your cargo cover in there. You got room to store groceries. We'll take a look here in the back seat. Got a pretty good amount of room in there. One of the best things about these little SUVs is you're going to get about 29 miles to a gallon on the highway. Well, let's take it around the block. As you can see, this one's leather, power seat, power windows, and power locks. We'll get in here in the seat. We got a push button start. You've also got the bigger touch screen in this one, so it's going to come equipped with navigation, your backup camera, of course, rear backup sensors. You've got heated seats down here and a heated steering wheel. Your sunroof up top. And another cool feature that these cars have is Apple CarPlay. So I'm going to hook my cell phone in here. And voila, there's Apple CarPlay. So what this is going to allow me to do is use my apps from my phone. Just like if this car wasn't equipped with navigation and it did have the Sync 3 system, I could use my map system right here to find my destination. So it's really cool. Alright, back to this. Alright, now we're going to take the little guy around the block. Put the seatbelt on here, safety first. Alright, and of course this is going to have this Bluetooth system in it, so you'll be able to make and place calls without removing your hands from the steering wheel, and cruise control. So here we go. So like I said, this is a titanium four-wheel drive. There's only two motors you can get in these. It's a 1-liter EcoBoost that is equipped with the front-wheel drive ones. All of the four-wheel drives is going to have a 2-liter engine in them. Okay. Good pickup. All right. And this has got this one that we're currently driving is the four-wheel drive. It does have the 2-liter engine in it, and like I said, fuel mileage you're going to get about 29 miles to the gallon on the highway. About 24 is probably somewhere around what you would average. So these are new vehicles. Like I said, this is the first year for them to be made, and Ford's trying to push them and get people excited about them. So they put a large rebate on these cars. They're up to $2,000 off with the purchase, or you can get 0% for up to 48 months. So we got some good rebates going on. Now the thing about these rebates is they're only going to be good until the 9th of next month, so you might want to get in here and take advantage of them while you can. like all other brand new Fords, this car is going to come with 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty and a 5-year 60 powertrain warranty. Handles really good. So again, some of the optional equipment that comes on this one is the navigation. If it has the Sync 3, it's going to come with Apple CarPlay and Android CarPlay. It's also got the push button start and the heated seats and heated steering wheel. We'll get out and we'll take another look around it. Alright, so here it is, 2018 EcoSport Titanium 4-wheel drive. And again, this is Devin Bledsoe. Hopefully you all come out and we'll take a test drive in it. Thanks, have a great day.